Ying, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na sana ma magtagumpay ka sa buhay mo sa pagiging nurse. So, I hope you will finish your studies with flying colors. I believe you can do it. Bawasan ang paggagala para magawa yan. And wish you good health. Sana wag mong kalimutang inumin yung mga gamot mo. And please, your braces, kailangan mo yan, mahina yung buto mo. Wala ako dyan para samahan ka at palalahanan ka at kulitin ang singit mo na magpa-check up ka sa doktor mo. Okay? So, 18 ka na, so it doesn't mean you're free. This is mean na start na to na dapat malaman mo kung ano yung goals mo sa buhay mo. So, now, you're a young lady na, so act as a lady, okay? Speak like a lady and be smart in everything that you do. Be wise in money. Lagi yan tuturo sa atin ni tita. So, remember, we are here for you and hope you have a wonderful 18th birthday. I'm here always, your Ate Duan. I love you forever. Bye!